Hello everyone, welcome to our cooking session.
Today we will be making potato cheese. So here are my ingredients of making this particular snacks. So we have here white sugar, a bar of cheese, 2 eggs, condensed creamer and ubi flavor, calamite baking powder, and also the third class flour. We have also water. So these are the measured ingredients in making potato cheese. We have 4 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 can condensed creamer of ubi flavor, 1/4 cup baking powder, cheese, and also water.
So at this moment, we'll be able to sift the solid ingredients, which is the flour and the sugar, to be able to remove the lumps, which can hinder the mixture. Now we're done with sifting. Let's proceed to mixture. First, let's mix the solid ingredients, which is the flour, sugar, and baking powder. And then, we will mix it thoroughly and gradually add water, followed by the remaining liquid ingredients, which is the egg and the milk. After combining all the ingredients, we will mix thoroughly the combination and gradually add water into it until we reach the desired consistency of our mixture. Now we will be filling our cup with the mixture that we combined a while ago. Since it is a potato cheese, we'll be putting cheese as our filling. After how many years we're done with our preparation, then we'll boil a water and place our mixture in a steamer for it to cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. To know if it is cooked already, we'll now insert a stick, as they say that is an accurate measurement for us to test if it is really cooked the best. After several preparations from the beginning until the end, we can now enjoy our potato cheese as our snacks today. Thank you for watching. See you in our next session.